Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Pura 70 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one to check whether we can change the resolution right here without the need to enter the settings, and we actually can. As you can see, this option, the first option from the left, is connected with the resolution. So let's tap on it to change it. As you can see, after tapping on it once, we can change it. We've got the same resolution, however the ratio is different. Let's tap on it again. Here we've got 720p with 16:9 ratio. Tap on it again, we've got 4K. Tap on it again, and again we've got 1080p option, so it's up to you. Basically this is how it works. So after tapping on it, your device will change the resolution, and from now on it will record the videos with it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.